Good night, my name is Maria Eugenia Flores. My daily routine, I wake up very early in the morning, normally around 60 o'clock a.m. Alright, I wake, cut out and go to the bathroom. I shower, brush my teeth, dry my hair with the dryer and comb my makeup. Then I return to my room and rest. Normally, I put jeans, blouse or sweater and tennis shorts. At quarter to seven, I had breakfast with my family. At seven, I left home and take a motorcycle and a means of transportation to work. The transit is at 8 minutes 5 for the time days. I hold this surfing from of the workplace for that time is the very sources in my daily routines do the late. I pay the tithes and do some shopping to take home. Then I go to bed to work and I hope that the departure time is at 6:30 p.m. Then I pay for a motorcycle to take the house. I got my parents and my brothers Thursday how my dad was. I heard my mother to prepare dinner soon in the way had dinner tower at 8 o'clock p.m. Then I watched the salad level the kitchen clean in they utterly corrupted. I get into Barty about my tank and goes to Barty in champion in the I thought for a week with my relative at staying at 9:15. I put on my pajamas and go to sleep but not before candles and make the fire giving that God for allowance to me completely another days in care for them protected my family. I put the rest of the night in this hut. He asked him that the next day be a day full of this mercy and blessing is to every day of the week. On Saturday I get up early. I go to work at 11 at 2 o'clock p.m. and takes the rest of the day. I take in the Coast University in the afternoon and try to advance the hours since I do not have much my time to go to university and doing the work after leaving university. I travel back to my house in West. I always hears my mother in what is being done. We had dinner at family after I back to the war, spot war, and after my exercise. I also practice microphone but Mondays in Friday at the night in the Scar in the community, which is very satisfactory for the sincere practice exams. For helps me pay Scar my AR. On Sunday, I get out at the early since it's the only day I can dedicate to God. So with my family, with attend the Sunday school that is held in the Churchman's Church of my community. Thank you.